Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back. I'm at my workbench right now, and in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to make your own LED strips. Lately, I've been slowly working on making a workbench area / office in my garage, and decided to give it a little pizzazz with some smart lighting. The last time I added smart lighting to my garage was more than a year ago with the Philips Hue color bulb and their LED light strips plus. A few weeks ago, I put up this pegboard to better organize my tools and give my work area a professional look. And to better assist me with seeing what I'm working on, I decided to add a 5 meter or 16 by 4 foot LED strip behind it, giving it a new life and modern upgrade to my work area. Okay, so the first thing you're going to need is an LED light strip. Make sure it has the abbreviation CCT on it, which stands for correlated color temperature, which allows the whites to change from a warm white to a cool white. Make sure that when you buy your LED strip, if it's a 12 volt LED strip, make sure you get a compatible power supply for it and also a compatible controller. Mine says 24 volt. So what I had to do is I had to buy a 24 volt compatible power supply with a 5 amp output. You also have to make sure that the wattage or the voltage of the power supply doesn't exceed the voltage or the wattage of the LED strip, or you'll risk burning it out. If the wattage or voltage is not enough, your LED strip will not light up all the way. The last thing you'll need is an LED controller. This one also says RGB CCT, so it's compatible with this LED strip right here. So make sure that the voltage is compatible with your LED strip and your power supply. If everything matches up and is compatible, you really shouldn't have any issues putting this together. Next step is to open up the box. Let's take out this LED strip. And as you can see, there's no controller on this LED strip, since this right here will be our controller. So they made it easy on us, and the wires are already stripped. So all you have to do is just insert them into their corresponding socket right here. The W here means warm white, C is cool white. So the yellow wire actually goes into the W part, and the white wire goes into the C. And the rest just corresponds with the color of the wire. Alright, so get something that lets you push down on this here. It opens up this port, this slot right here for the wire, and just slides right through. Alright, first one is the yellow wire. Second one is the white wire. Alright, and you can tell it's in there. B for blue. And right here it says V plus, that one's for the black wire. Alright, there we go, they're all in. And this part right here, that's where the power supply goes. Let's unravel the LED strip and connect it just to make sure it works. I unravel the LED strip, have all the pins connected, all the wires connected. Now I have my power supply connected into the power outlet. Let's go ahead and see if it works. Alright, there you go. Alright, just wait a little bit, make sure it won't overheat or anything. If it overheats, you'll start to see some smoke. Looks like it's fine. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and disconnect it. Go ahead, tape it around my pegboard, and then program it to my Philips Hue hub. Alright, and there you have it, everyone. Got my lights taped up behind my pegboard. Got it set up to a specific scene so it syncs with my Philips Hue branded light strip and my Philips Hue branded bulb right here. And this costs probably half the price of the Philips Hue light strip. Alright guys, if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to leave a like, don't forget to leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe for more future videos. Thanks for watching.